Until now, industrial workers have had to accept something of a trade-off in protective garments for electric arc and flash fire accidents. The trade-off is between the perceived comfort of chemically treated FR cotton and the inherent protection of Nomex fabrics. Now you can have the best in protection, comfort, and durability with Tecasafe Plus by TenCate. This new patent-pending engineered material offers superior electric arc and flash fire protection in a revolutionary fabric that is inherently flame-resistant, comfortable, and durable. Tecasafe Plus offers the following protective performance in a single fabric. Unlike FR-treated cotton, Tecasafe Plus is inherently flame-resistant, so the flame protection will never wash or wear out. And Tecasafe Plus stands up to the heat. It is stronger than FR cotton and Nomex 3A after thermal exposure. A lightweight layer of Tecasafe Plus by itself meets hazard risk category 2 of the 70E standard for electric arc. In addition, Tecasafe Plus meets the flash fire protection standard NFPA 2112. And only Tecasafe Plus provides all of this protection and unmatched comfort. It's softer to the touch than Nomex fabrics, and Tecasafe Plus wicks better than FR cotton. So Tecasafe Plus absorbs and spreads moisture better, dries faster, is softer to the touch, and keeps you comfortable longer than any other FR fabric. Furthermore, Tecasafe Plus is exceptionally durable. It has outstanding resistance to abrasion from wear and from industrial laundering, even at the seams. Tecasafe Plus offers excellent resistance to pilling, good color fastness, and an excellent after-wash appearance following repeated industrial launderings for a long-lasting professional look. You may think Tecasafe Plus is an expensive fabric. You'll be surprised. Tecasafe Plus offers more protection and comfort than other protective fabrics without breaking the bank. Tecasafe Plus is an affordable investment that will be in service for a long time, making Tecasafe Plus a cost-effective solution for many protective challenges. When you consider the overall combination of superior protection, long service life, and unsurpassed comfort offered by Tecasafe Plus, this fabric may prove to be the most cost-effective product ever offered to the industrial safety market. Workers exposed to electric arc or flash fire accidents risk serious burn injury unless properly protected. Standards committees such as the National Fire Protection Association, NFPA, have developed strict guidelines to ensure that workers are properly protected from these potentially fatal workplace accidents. Let's see how Tecasafe Plus stacks up against competitive fabrics, FR cotton, Nomex, and Protera, in the industry's most demanding performance tests. We'll begin with thermal performance. To help determine the level of protective clothing needed, NFPA 70E specifies hazard risk categories based on the arc rating of fabrics. The arc rating is calculated based on several arc tests. Here are the levels as specified in 70E. The level commonly needed for electrical workers is hazard risk category 2. Tecasafe Plus as a single layer easily satisfies this requirement. This means that a light layer of Tecasafe Plus by itself meets the NFPA 70E requirements for most electrical applications. The ASTM F1930 instrumented mannequin test is a cornerstone of the NFPA 2112 flash fire protection standard. In this test, a mannequin equipped with 100 or more heat sensors is dressed in an FR coverall and exposed to a simulated flash fire for a period of 3 seconds. Sensor data is used to calculate a predicted body burn percentage. The average of 3 exposures must be no more than 50% to comply with NFPA 2112. The instrumented mannequin test results after 3-second exposure are clear. Nomex 3A, 32%. Endura Ultra Soft, 35%. Proterra, 37%. And Tecasafe Plus, only 15%. While the competitive fabrics show a predicted body burn of over 30%, Tecasafe Plus tests at less than half, with only 15%. In the TPP test, FR fabric specimens are exposed to controlled levels of energy to determine the TPP value. The TPP value is defined as the amount of energy on the outside of the fabric that will cause the onset of a second-degree skin burn. After thermal exposure, Nomex 3A becomes brittle. The same holds true for Proterra. It's cracking under pressure. With Endura Ultra Soft, the fabric becomes so brittle that it literally falls apart. But with Tecasafe Plus, the fabric remains intact. In the test for tensile strength, after 10 seconds of TPP exposure, when you compare Endura Ultra Soft, Nomex 3A, Proterra, and Tecasafe Plus, there is really no comparison. Tecasafe Plus stands up to the heat. With Tecasafe Plus, there's less chance of the fabric falling apart after thermal exposure due to electric arc flash or flash fire. Tecasafe Plus provides you strength when you need it most. In the test for TPP flame shrinkage, FR fabric specimens are exposed to controlled levels of energy for a fixed period of 5 seconds. The results from this test are used to indicate how much shrinkage the fabric will experience when exposed to a flash fire. The smaller the percentage of shrinkage, the more stable the fabric. As you can see, Tecasafe Plus also exhibits superior thermal stability when compared to Endura Ultra Soft, Proterra, or Nomex 3A. Thermal shrinkage won't be a problem with garments made of Tecasafe Plus. This means more thermal protection when you need it the most. In the test for pilling resistance, small fabric specimens are placed in a cork-lined chamber with small pieces of cotton sliver. Fabric specimens are repeatedly tumbled in the chamber for fixed intervals of 30, 60, 90, or 120 minutes. The results of this test are used to indicate a fabric's resistance to the formation of unsightly pills or balls of tangled fibers from everyday wear and tear. The higher the level of pilling, the worse the fabric will look. Tecasafe Plus offers excellent resistance to pilling, thus maintaining its like-new appearance for a longer period of time. In the test for resistance against abrasion, fabric specimens are placed on a double-headed rotary platform and rubbed under controlled pressure and abrasion for a period of 100, 150, or 250 cycles. The results of this test are used to indicate how well a fabric will resist wear and tear over the life of the garment. The better the fabric looks after the test, the better the resistance to wear and tear. The results show how Tecasafe Plus and other FR fabrics resist abrasion. After 250 cycles, Endura Ultra Soft has holes chewed in it. Even at 150 cycles, Endura Ultra Soft still does not perform as well as Tecasafe Plus at 250 cycles. How well a fabric absorbs and wicks away moisture demonstrates how comfortable a garment will be when it's wet or the wearer perspires. Nomex 3A, Endura Ultra Soft, and Tecasafe Plus absorb the drop of water quickly. Proterra, on the other hand, beads up. Tecasafe Plus wicks and spreads the water quickest and dries fast, making you feel more comfortable. Tecasafe Plus delivers the best overall electric arc and flash fire protection. Tecasafe Plus by TenCate brings you a new standard for flame-resistant apparel fabrics to protect utility workers, electricians, oil refinery workers, petrochemical workers, and many other professionals working in high-risk environments. Now protection, comfort, and durability are all woven into the one fabric that brings you the best overall value. Tecasafe Plus delivers peace of mind when lives are on the line.